Hey there, friends. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to remove all of the transitions in a video in DaVinci Resolve. So you can do it one by one manually by simply left clicking on the transition in your timeline. And as you can see, it's going to highlight it. And you can hit backspace or delete it on your keyboard, and you are able to delete them individually. You can also select multiple ones by holding Control and left clicking. So you can select multiple ones as so and then do the same thing that way. But there's a nice little trick that might be helpful for you, and this is useful if you have a really long video or timeline and have a lot of individual transitions. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit Control A on your keyboard to select everything, and then go to your effects panel, go to video transitions, and then just drag and drop a random transition into the timeline. So as you can see, that should be able to select everything if you do it correctly. There we go. And now you should be able to hit backspace or delete to delete everything. So sometimes it will leave one transition out. You can just quickly select it by hitting control. It's a weird behavior, and I believe it's a bug that will eventually get patched out. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something neat and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.